Hello kids. आज हम सीखेंगे नेक्स्ट लेटर F. ये है कैपिटल F एंड ये है स्मॉल f. F for F for fish. F for fish. Fish. Fish can swim. Fish lives in water. Again kids, say with me. F. F for fish. Fish can swim. Fish lives in water. Clap for yourself. Well done kids. Bye bye.